He's a clean eater his first time. Wow.
Ready?
Yep. It's going right down. Oh boy, that's everywhere now. On the hands, the nose, eyeball. And they acted like they wanted it that time.
Yep. That wasn't such a nasty face.
It's attacking it. You're going to be breathing it here soon. Are you breathing it? You don't need air. You need cereal. We just need cereal. We're going to go through 5 bibs a meal. Is that what we're going to do?
We should have taken his shirt off.
We should be eating in the tub.
Ready?
He's starting to act like he wants it.
Came out that time.
God. It's everywhere. It's just funny.
Okay, ready?
You ready for another bite? Big bite. Yeah, you weren't quite ready for that one.
No. Okay, ready?
Oh, Mommy got it on your hands.
Mm-hmm.
You were perfectly clean before that.
You're doing so good.
You know, oh, that's right up the nostril. Right up the nostril. Is that where you wanted it? Those hands in the mouth are doing real good, aren't they? Oh my God, you were disgusting. You were gross. You're gonna puke. You're gonna make yourself puke it all up. Oh yeah, you're clean. So clean.
Oh yes. Okay, ready? Oh, that was a good one.
Wait for it.
No.
No, you did good.
Oh,
I think he's taking a poop. Well, when you eat, you gotta poop.
Right in the middle of eating, you gotta poop.
Let's just get it all. Do all the cycles.
Let's let you finish.
You think this is hilarious, don't you? You think this is so funny. Is this funny? Ba-ba-ba. Maybe you didn't. Maybe you just thought about it.
Okay, ready? That was a good one.
Oh, there it is.
He's looking at us like, what?
That's what I do. You gotta go, you gotta go. Gotta make room. Oh, God.
Oh, shit. You are something else, kid.
Hey, Eli.
Oh, gross.
It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Yeah. You think it's funny. You think it's funny. It's just bubbling through your fingers. Not a care in the world. Doesn't bother you at all, does it? You're sitting in poop. You're eating fingers and spitting food all over the place. And actually breathing it. Best day of your life. Huh? Good day?
Like, yeah, what's with it? What's it to you, sir?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. Well done.